April 25th, 2019. I just finished planting 24 strawberry roots. So let me give you so this is the whole bed. So I have 12 on one side and 12 on the other side. So each side has 3, 6, 9, 12 roots. So last September I filled this whole bed with straw and chopped leaves, oak leaves that we got from our neighbors, our good neighbors. And the straw and the leaves sat here on the bed for 7-8 months until yesterday. So yesterday I received the roots from Johnny's seeds, and here's a close-up. Let me just pull this. Honeoye, like Honeoye Strawberries. So they come from upstate New York. There's a village called Honeoye, and this is it. This bed is based on Ruth Stout's philosophy of heavy mulching. As you can see, I have about 4 or 5 inches of straw and leaves, and as soon as these plants will start growing, I may have to add additional straw to keep the weeds away and also keep the plant hydrated. According to Ruth Stout, there is going to be no weeding, no watering, and I will do a follow-up in 2-3 weeks from now when the plants begin to grow. Talk to you later.